All right, in this video, guys, we're going to be installing some handlebar risers on my CRF250F. I'm like 6'3"-ish. This bike is a bit small in that way. I know you can do lots of things to kind of change that, but it's my first bike. I'm just getting into it. I wanted to raise the bars up a bit. I just picked up this little kit here, guys, off Amazon. I'll leave the link below. Pretty simple. It just goes under your bars, boosts them up, and then you get longer bolts to go screw them in. Should be pretty simple install. With my bark busters, they're actually the tops, so it just bolts right onto where the bars would be normally bolted. So that is the top, I guess. We'll take this off and then just unscrew it and see what we can do here. Take this off real quick. Boom, now we got lots of room. All right, so I got a 12mm deep socket. Loosen these up. There we go. And this isn't something you want coming loose, that's for sure. And wow, that one is already loose. Boom. Just gonna make sure the new kit actually has the right threads. So I'm just making sure the kit works. It's the first step. So the threads seem to be right, so that's good. Your bars are gonna be free once you pop these off, so be aware of that. All right, so bars are loose. We're going to lift them now. Okay, bars up, bars down. Go. Okay, that's perfect, guys. You see, we got that lift. Run it through all the way down. Check your wires that they're not too tight. Right, there we are. Make sure it's nice and even everywhere. It's all gripping the bars. Right, I'm gonna hop on it and just see how it feels. Oh, that feels so much better. Just a little bit of a boost for me. It's right where we want her. All right, now I'm gonna tighten it all up completely. Double check here, everything real quick. Make sure it's all tight. Boom, tight. 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 And tight. There we go, it's all crimped. Nice. You can keep your old bolts in case you decide to take these off for whatever reason. And then we shall throw back our little guy here. Foam pad. All right, there it is. So this is a lot tighter now. Something to keep in mind. This guy here is cranked. Loosen it up. Not quite reaching now, but that's about the only thing. All these lines, you guys can see, everything's still got plenty of slack. Nothing's even close to binding. But if I were to go higher, I would probably start watching the lines. But yeah, they're still nice and snug. There's no problems anywhere here. These are nice. Look at those guys. Some nice risers. Super cheap mod. Here's the old bolts. I'll just keep these. I think for me, guys, this is exactly what I needed. Just a little bit of a taller front end. Not much, but it does make a difference back here. It does feel better for my height and my arms. So that's great. Super cheap. I'm glad I did that. Feels great. Installs about 20 minutes. Basic tools. I'm pretty happy with that. Now when I stand up, I can actually grab it versus before I had to bend hunch over to grab it. So I'm fired up with that, guys. Super quick video, guys. These risers are a great little thing if you're too tall for your bike. I will update you guys in the future on how it feels when I ride, but it does feel great here. And they do feel like good quality. They fit up nice. I don't see any problems with them. If you guys want to check them out, links in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. We got a lot more dirt bike content coming on this channel. If you guys liked it, leave a like. If it helped you, make sure you guys subscribe for more videos incoming. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.